Hi, this is Steve from Roofer 911. Today we're performing a roof replacement on a townhome in Sterling, Virginia. Everything is coming along really well. The homeowner gave us permission to bring our dump truck right up to the property, so that just makes everything very easy, where we can just throw all the old shingles right into the dump truck and hardly any debris lands on the ground. But when we started stripping the roof, we noticed there's no FRP up against the left side or the right side, and also in the back, and that's against Virginia building codes. FRP is fire resistant plywood, and it must be installed, because if it's not, say the homeowner decided to sell the home in the future and the inspector for the buyer notices that there's no FRP, they would make us strip the roof and put FRP. So everything must be done according to Virginia building codes and also manufacturer specifications. So once we install the FRP, then we're going to put down the underlayment and the ice and water shield, and then install the new shingles. So we'll be done with this roof fairly quickly in one day. Again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof replacement and roof repair in Sterling and all areas in Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free.